Hello colleagues, and welcome to Week 0, Unit 4 of SAP Cloud Platform Version Control with Git. In this unit, we will get you set up on free accounts on both GitHub and SAP Cloud Platform, and we'll get you set up with SAP Cloud Platform's Git service and the full stack web IDE. So let's just get started by creating a free account on GitHub. Okay, go to github.com in your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, which I will be for the duration of the course. And type in a username. You got to make sure that it's a username that's not already used. I don't think you can see what I'm typing here, but I'm typing in a username and an email address. And as you create a password, make sure you note what it is, because you're going to need it a lot in this course. And then go ahead and click Sign Up for GitHub. Whether or not you choose to save your password is up to you. And choose the plan, unless you just feel like spending money, unlimited public repositories for free. And it's up to you if you want to get their emails. Just fill in these however you want. I'm going to click skip this step. And that's it. Now we have a free account here on GitHub. And that's all you got to do. You may get an email saying verify that you've set that up. If so, you want to go in there and click on that. So that was very easy, setting up a free account on GitHub. So now that we've set up a free GitHub account, let's go ahead and set up a free account on SAP Cloud Platform, and we'll activate the Git service as well as the full stack web IDE service there. So this will be a little bit more because we need to activate the service. So let's go to open up a new browser window or a new tab and go to http://cloudplatform.sap.com and go there. And right here in the upper right corner, you'll see this free trial button. Go ahead and click that in. Go ahead and type in your first name and your last name. And okay, so once again, you're going to need to remember your password here. I'm just making a little coded note to myself so that I don't forget it. Okay. Contact preferences, up to you. Acknowledge. Go ahead and read the privacy statement, either now or later, up to you. And the terms, once you've looked those over to your satisfaction, click those and hit register. Oh, do you want to be contacted by email? You can say yes. I'm going to say no because I've already been contacted. Oh, it doesn't like the password. I think because it blanked it out after I didn't fill that out the first time. And that's okay. You know this is a live demo. Okay. Now, you need to go to your email to activate the account. And you're going to go find the email that says to activate your SAP Cloud Platform account, and you're going to click here to activate your account. And that will open yet another browser window. should say account successfully activated. Thank you for registering and activating your account with your email address. Then hit continue. And go ahead and log on using that password you just created. They'll give you lots of news. I'm going to uncheck this just for the sake of the demo, but you can check out those news and announcements as you like. Now, you're going to click on the Neo trial here. So there's Cloud Foundry trial. You want the Neo trial on the right. One other thing, if you don't see the Neo trial button, I'll go back real quick. If for some reason you're not seeing this, you can go to Regions and then go down to Trial at the bottom where it says Europe Wrote Trial, and you can get to it that way. But we'll just get to it this way. Okay, now you're going to want to click on Services on the left, right here. Now scroll down to the DevOps section. We're in luck. Git service is already enabled. That's what we wanted. So, but go ahead and click on it. Now this Git service, here it is. It's giving a description here. And then go to this link that says Go to Service. We're not going to do anything just now. But you should know where this is. You should either remember how to navigate to this Git service. We're going to go there. This one we're only going to go to 1 or twice, maybe 3 times, probably just once or twice throughout the whole course. You may want to bookmark it so that you can get quickly to this Git service. Okay, so now you know where the Git service is, and you may want to bookmark it. Now, let's go back to services. Go back to DevOps again. Now, here's a little moment for you to decide what you want to do. I recommend using the SAP Web IDE full stack. This is the future of SAP Web IDE. If you've been a Web IDE developer in the past, you're probably used to this one on the left. This is going to be phased out. The one on the left is going to be phased out over time. At the moment, at this exact moment of me giving the demos, if you're just a UI5 JavaScript developer, the features in these are going to be pretty much the same, though the look and feel is slightly different. However, you can develop in multiple languages, so you can do HANA DB development in the full stack Web IDE, as well as Java development, if I understand correctly. And there is going to be other languages supported probably in the future, so like the Node.js framework and Python could be potentially, possibly supported. Whatever happens in the future of Web IDE for SAP, it's going to happen in this full stack version. So this old version is not going to get new features. This one is. We're going to do our examples in the full stack Web IDE for the duration of the course, even though it's brand new, and that's what we're going to use. So I would recommend going here and using this. So go ahead and click on that. I'm going to refresh this page just to see if that speeds things up a little bit. There we go. So you can refresh the page. So, and now go ahead and click Go to Service because it's already enabled, fortunately. Now, okay, it's slow connection. I will deal with that in future lectures. As this is loading, I'll tell you right now that, oh, look, it didn't take too long at all. This Web IDE, we're going to be in a lot. So I very strongly recommend that you bookmark this page. You don't want to have to navigate to it every time. So go ahead and bookmark this. You can bookmark the SAP Git service in Cloud Platform. We're only going to use that once or twice. We're going to go to this dozens of times. So definitely bookmark this. And let's go to, there's one other thing I want to make sure we take care of right now. It'll save us some grief. Oh, that's interesting. Let's go to this gear icon. And let's go to the code editor. Gear settings, gear icon, code editor. And scroll down here to save options. And definitely check automatically save changes in all open documents at preset intervals. That will save you some grief, no pun intended. And then click save to save that setting. That'll make sure that when you're doing the examples, you won't have the frustration of occasionally making a commit when you forgot to hit save. Actually, that still could happen if it doesn't automatically save because it is a preset interval, but it'll make that issue less likely. So now you have a free GitHub account. You have a free SAP Cloud Platform account. You have the Cloud Platform Git service and the Cloud Platform Full Stack Web IDE, both active and bookmarked. So at this point, you should have everything you need to follow along with the examples throughout the course. I look forward to seeing you in week 1, next week, when we will cover the foundational concepts that you will need to master Git.